On a rainy night, Kuba walked home along an empty street when he noticed a figure standing motionless under a flickering street lamp. Dressed in a long coat, their face was hidden in shadow. Uneasy, he quickened his pace. A glance back, his breath caught. The figure was closer, no footsteps, no sound. He walked faster, another glance. They were even closer, their posture twisted, unnatural. Panic surged. He ran. His apartment was near. He fumbled for his keys, heart pounding. Just as he reached the door, a whisper brushed his ear. "You can't outrun me."